The Calgary Soldiers Memorial is a war monument in Calgary, Alberta that was dedicated on April 9, 2011, the anniversary of the Battle of Vimy Ridge. The monument is dedicated to Calgary area soldiers who have given their lives in war and military service overseas. The monument is located on Memorial Drive and bears the names of 3,000 fallen soldiers from the Calgary area who died in military service. The Calgary Soldiers Memorial stands in the park that runs between Memorial Drive and the Bow River. It forms part of the landscape of Memorial Park project along Memorial Drive. The Calgary Soldiers Memorial consists of several stone tablets bearing the names of soldiers from Calgary area regiments killed during war times. Planning for the memorial began in 2008 and was originally conceived as one of several centennial projects during the 100th anniversary celebrations of the Calgary Highlanders. The original target date for the memorial was Remembrance Day 2010. The Calgary Soldiers Memorial Committee was chaired by Captain Peter Boyle of the Calgary Highlanders. The final design of the memorial was created by the Mark Boutin Architectural Collaborative and integrated into the City of Calgary's Memorial Drive. The design was criticized for poorly selected chords and a lack of contextual information regarding Canadian sacrifices, which the plaza and adjacent Soldiers Memorial were intended to highlight. In May 2020, the Consulate of the United Kingdom launched a live 24-hour global relay marathon to raise money for the charities related to the COVID-19 pandemic, and selected the memorial as the launching point in order to also commemorate the 75th anniversary of Victory in Europe Day. The public space War Memorial is located adjacent to the Bow River, situated between the pathway and Memorial Drive. Its landscape and lighting design is to increase pathway safety and honor existing World War I monuments. The Phase 1 of the project includes a pathway system connecting Poppy Plaza, the Lewis Relay Bridge, and the Peace Bridge. The Calgary Soldiers Memorial is part of a larger parks project along Memorial Drive called the Landscape of Memory. The Mark Boutin designed sculpture stands as a tribute to the sacrifice and service of soldiers serving with Calgary's Army Reserve regiments in the First and Second World Wars, as well as in the recent conflict in Afghanistan. 6 large upright marble slabs carry the names of over 3,000 soldiers who died while in service. Colonel Donald Edel called the monument a labor of love and said Canadians have the duty to guard the legacy of our fallen heroes. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please click the subscribe button and do like, share and comment.